Hello! Hello ladies and gentlemen, and today we are playing with this amazing Elsa! Northern Lights Elsa! So it restores Northern Lights. How does it do so? I have no idea, and Mila too. So we'll see it in a minute. Snowflake. Cool, Mila, look. Mila. That was a tremendously lovable song. And I like your dress, Elsa's dress. So you are like the third sister of the royal family. Okay, so we have Elsa finally out from the box, and it has this snowflake which you can connect using this cable. Now like this. So everything is ready to play. Again. Wave your hand.
Anna and I have always loved to watch the Northern Lights.
She's sleeping. We can disconnect this snowflake. It's not, there's no response, but it should respond if you wave your hand. Now.
It's just like the color of the sky before the sun wakes up. We made the Northern Lights magic glow. Let's try again.
Let's try again.
So many colors. They're so pretty.
So now it's changing colors. Finally we made it work.
Today should be the first day of the Northern Lights, which means good luck for Arizona.
We can disconnect this snowflake. Let's do it, Mila.
But I think Northern Lights boy is my favorite. What happened? Look at the lights.
Ta-da! Now Elsa is without the snowflake.
Oh, look at the lights. They're dancing.
Here is the snowflake itself with the cable and Elsa. You can press this necklace here, the
Anna and
stone.
I have always loved to watch the Northern Lights.
Now you will see Elsa change, make different colors. Oh, look here, like underneath her skirt.
I mountains to see the lights.
The lights are there.
Today should be the first day of the Northern Lights.
Okay, Elsa, without the snowflake, we just figured out her dress doesn't sparkle with lights. It's only her corset, her vest, and you have to connect to the snowflake to make her dress flash with lights. But anyways, she can be played with the snowflake or alone. Look at her dress. It's full of snowflakes. This is nice.
They're dancing.
Very light. The fabric is very light.
Anna and I have always liked to head to the Northern Mountains to see the lights.
Show to everybody this little girl. Elsa, the Witch of Snow. Bye bye.